Understanding close up shop, a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, close up shop. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, and it's important to understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this common English expression. Close up shop initially refers to the literal action of shutting down a store at the end of the business day. It involves locking the doors, turning off the lights, and ensuring everything is secure. This is a routine activity for businesses worldwide. We'll look at how this straightforward action translates into a more figurative use in the English language. In a more figurative sense, close up shop can mean to stop what one is doing or to end an operation or activity. It's often used when someone decides to stop a particular work or activity, not necessarily related to running a physical store. For example, if a person decides to retire from their career, they might say they are closing up shop. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. After 20 years of teaching, Mrs. Smith is closing up shop and retiring. 2. We need to close up shop on this project since the funding has been cut. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, extending beyond the literal sense of closing a physical shop. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. In English-speaking countries, close up shop is a colloquial phrase, widely understood and used in both professional and casual settings. It's a non-formal way of expressing the end of an activity, and it's important to use it appropriately in conversations. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you now have a good understanding of the phrase, close up shop, and can use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it rich and vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the opportunity arises. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.